Welcome, here I've got Huawei Y6 2019 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode with the back camera. So to get access to the mirror effect we have to change the back camera to the front camera, and we can do it by using this button here in the right corner at the bottom. So let's tap on this. So hi again, now let's move to more advanced options. So let me tap on this button here in the right corner and it opens as the advanced camera settings. So let's focus on the capture settings. At the first place we have the mirror reflection button, so by using this we can turn it off and turn it on like that. So this is how it works here, and that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.